This is the human DNA. It's huge. It's about 20,000 genes. If you take DNA just from one cell and try to spread it, it would be the size of 2 meters. And this thing is in each and every one of our cells. Now, the interesting thing is that besides our human DNA, we also have another type of DNA in each and every one of our cells. This belongs to an ancient microbe called mitochondria, which sometime during evolution, about 1.5 to 2 billion years ago, entered our cells. And this is what provides us with energy. And why is this interesting? First of all, it's interesting to know that we carry 2 different types of DNA in each one of our cells. But it's also interesting because mitochondrial DNA is much simpler than our human DNA. If our human DNA has 20,000 genes, the mitochondrial DNA only has 37 genes. And because it's so much simpler, it's much easier to study. For example, we know that the mitochondrial DNA gets a mutation every 3,000 to 5,000 years. So if we go back and use it as a biological clock, we can check when was our last common ancestors. And actually, it's been done, and it's been shown that around 150,000 to 200,000 years ago in East Africa, we all had a common ancestor, and we call her Mitochondrial Eve. And how do we know that it's a woman? Because mitochondria only passes through the egg. The sperm does not pass mitochondria to the next generation, only the mother does. So we can go back and link all the maternal lineage until we reach that one mitochondrial Eve, which we all share her mitochondrial DNA, and she existed around 150,000 to 200,000 years ago in East Africa. Just think of what that could mean if we all carry the same mitochondrial DNA, which is our inner battery. This is what gives us our energy to each and every one of our cells. And we all carry with us that same memory from that single woman in East Africa 200,000 years ago. Which other memories and traumas do we carry with it? And how can we start to heal from these traumas?